Hey guys, Dave here from Easy Country Cooking and Cooking Share. You know, I was out in the garden in the basil patch and I got to thinking, what am I going to cook for dinner tonight? Then I thought, well, you know, I got some chicken in there. What if I cook some smothered creamy chicken with basil in it? And it came out absolutely incredible. Just have to share it with you, so let me show you how to do it. Okay guys, the first thing I'm going to do here is grab up some chicken thighs. And you know what? I got these on sale, 6 for $9. So that's about $1.80 a thigh. Is that cheap? Well, not really. But anyway, still pretty good. And I'm going to put a couple of slices in these diagonally so they look kind of fancy-dancy. And they fry up a little bit better. And we'll season these guys up with a bit of salt and some ground black pepper. You know me, I love pepper, so I'm going to add quite a bit of this. Next up, throw some oil into a pan over medium-high heat. I suppose about a tablespoon. Throw those chicken thighs in. And we're just going to fry these guys up for a few minutes, just until they're browned up and they got a kind of a nice sear on the one side. Now it's got a bit of a sear happening here, guys. We're going to give them a flip over. Good old chicken. Okay, guys, after about 10 minutes, our chicken is pretty much done dead. So I'm just going to take this out and we'll set this aside on a plate. Alrighty then, in the same pan, I'm going in with half a chopped onion, 3 cloves of chopped garlic because I just have to have chopped garlic, and half a red bell pepper that I've julienned up. Now we're just going to stir and saute this for a few minutes until that wonderful, incredible aroma of onion and garlic fill the air. Now we are going in with about 16 ounces of tomato sauce, followed up by half a cup of table cream. You can use heavy cream too, or even half and half. Season our sauce up with a little bit of salt, maybe, half a teaspoon, some ground black pepper, a good teaspoon or two of Italiano seasoning. This stuff, I love it. It just has everything in it. And about a teaspoon of paprika. And this is the smoked. If you got it, it's so much nicer. And we'll give everything a stir around. And just look at that sauce, that color. This is going to be beautiful, guys. And I was out in the garden, so I am going to throw in some fresh basil. And by the way, if you haven't seen the garden, I showed a few clips of the garden in the last video. I'm going to do a whole video pretty soon about the place here in the garden and stuff like that, so stay tuned for that. Now, of course, we're going to go back in with that chicken that's ever been so patiently waiting. And don't forget that sauce. And you know what, guys? I'm going to go over the top with some fresh mozzarella. Just to thicken things up and make it ooey gooey. And I'm just going to reduce the heat here a little bit. I'll let this simmer away, I'd say, for about 10 minutes. And of course, as this cooks, I'm going to flip and flop that chicken around in that sauce. This looks absolutely delicious, guys. And after about 10 minutes, guys, there you have it. Our smothered creamy chicken thighs with basil. Now, of course, we're going to go ahead and plate this up. Just look at this. And of course, we just have to have some of that sauce over the top. Oh. And we're going to garnish this up with some parsley, again, fresh from the garden. And just check this out, my friends. Doesn't this look absolutely incredible? So easy and so delicious. All right, guys, let's cut in here and see what we got. Oh, so impressed with that sauce. Just look at this. Doesn't this look absolutely incredible? All right, down they will hatch. This is so good. That sauce is absolutely incredible. And that basil just shines through. You just simply have to make this. And if you do, guys, leave us a comment because I love reading them. And most of all, give us a like. It helps the channel out and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe. And of course, I'm going to have more of this. And we'll see you next time. So good.